boys and girls, coming to you today to go over our math lesson 1.8 about ordering our numbers from 0 to 5 and back down from 5 to 0. Let me go ahead and show you my presentation. Here's our math lesson 1.8, and here is our magic tens frame. Now down at the bottom, I've got our numbers all mixed up from 0 through 5. On the top row of our tens frame, we are going to put them in order starting with 0 and ending with 5. On the bottom row of our tens frame, we're going to start with 5 and end with 0. So we're going to go ahead and put them in order from 0 to 5. Go ahead and help me out. What number is going to go into this first box? If I start with, that's right, 0. So I'm going to move my 0 right into that box. After 0 comes what number? Great job. That's 1. Whoopsies. 1. Let's go ahead and move 1 into that box. Help me count. 0, 1. What's going to come next? Great job. That's going to be 2. Move that 2 on over. What comes next? Awesome. And number 3. That number 3 is going to go right into that box. 0, 1, 2, 3, and that's right. It's going to be 4. I'm going to move that 4 right into that box. And what's our last number? It's going to be our 5. So now we've counted forward. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we're going to start with the number 5 and go down to 0, just like we did last off. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my number 5 and I'm going to move it to the bottom box. Counting down. 5. What comes next? That's right. I put one finger down, that makes 4. And move 4 into my box. Put one more down. What comes next? Count them out. That's right, number 3. Move that into the box. Put 1 down. What comes next? That's right, number 2. Oh, not me. Move that number 2 into the box. Put 1 down. What comes next? That's right, number 1. I'm going to put 1 down. How many does my hand show? How many fingers am I holding up? That's right, I'm not holding up any fingers. So that number is 0. Great job, boys and girls. We counted down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You guys did a great job today. Go ahead and do your activity, putting your numbers in order from 0 to 5 and 5 to 0. Have a great day.